Hello, everyone. A very good morning to teachers, seniors, juniors, and fellow batchmates. This is Aishwarya of EC Batch 2010. It gives me immense pleasure to be taking you through the first ever virtual alumni meet of KCG Connect. Prayers. God hears prayers. God heeds prayers. God answers prayers. God delivers by prayer. We now have Beryl Natasha of ECE 2012, the nightingale of her batch, to deliver the prayer song.
Hey everyone. We are in a new year. In a way, this is a new beginning and maybe even an opportunity for a fresh start. The Bible says, where there is no vision, the people perish. This beautiful hymn that I'm about to sing, it's a prayer asking God to be the focus of our vision this new year. Be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart, not be all else to me. Something by day or by waking or sleeping, thy presence, my be thou my wisdom, and thou my true Lord with me. Thy truth. My King of heaven, my victory won, may reach heaven's streets. Still be alone. Before, still be alone.
Sometimes all it takes is a beautiful prayer to change everything. Thank you so much for this beautiful song. We now have our favorite Anita ma'am, the Dean of Student Affairs, to welcome you all to the first ever virtual meet of KCG Connect. Anita ma'am, as we all know, has been the backbone of the cultural and extracurricular activities during the years. And she continues to inspire students, bridging the gap between the teachers and students. Over to Anita ma'am.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Dear dignitaries, colleagues, and alumni, it is a privilege on behalf of KCG College to extend a cordial welcome to members of our management, our chairperson, Dr. Elspeth Varghese, who's always a source of inspiration for us, our visionary director and CEO, Dr. Anand Jacob Varghese, and our beloved director, Dr. Annie Jacob. Their presence here today is a testimony to the esteem and affection in which they hold the KCG alumni. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for being with us. Today, we don't have any designated chief guest. The chief guests in plural is our alumni, right? It's such a pleasure always to welcome our alumni from different walks of life. And today, thanks to the virtual mode from different parts of the globe. So a special shout out to our 2002 batch. I think for the first time, we are having them in such large numbers over here with us. I think this is maybe the first alumni meet they are attending because of the virtual, thanks to the virtual mode. And I think many of them are also going to connect with each other after 19 years or 18 years is what I understand. And so I'm sure you're looking forward to the breakout room after the award ceremony where you can all catch up and, and reminiscence and find out what we are all up to. And on the other end of the spectrum, we have our youngest alumni batch, 2019. For them also, this is the first alumni meet that they would be attending. So to all my alumni from all the different batches and from different walks of life and across departments, a very, very warm welcome. For the Alumni Excellence Awards, we received more than 111 nominations. And it was such a, we felt so proud reading the accomplishments and achievements of each of those nominations. I assure you, the jury panel, esteemed, very eminent people in the jury panel, they all had a tough time trying to figure out who to choose. Left for me, I would have given awards to everyone. I would have said, oh, each of you deserve an award, and I've given. Because seriously, I think you are the best. And I say this with cause because every time I reach out to an alumni, however busy or successful they are, even if I've not had any contact with them for 5 or 6 years, every single time the response is always, sure, ma'am, of course, ma'am. Now, having said that, we want to propose a new initiative, which is just an extension of how you have been supporting us all these years. You have been coming, many of you have been coming to our campus, you have held a mock interview for our students, you have given career guidance talk, you have held technical seminars. As an extension, what we would like to do is now connect 1 or 2 students to an alumni mentor. Let's say 1 third year and 1 fourth year student. If, to whatever your area of expertise is, if you're willing to set aside a little time to support a student on campus, please do reach out to us either directly through your departments or to me directly or through KCG Connect. Please let us know that you are willing to help a student on campus by just mentoring them, giving them some guidance on how to, maybe even help them later on with internships, whatever. We'll work out the nitty-gritty later. We do have a rough idea of what we want. We can even offer, if you feel, I would like to mentor, but I really don't know what mentorship is, we can arrange, some kind of training for that also. What we want is a willingness, that's all we require. So please do, I do expect my alumni to make this initiative also a success. And just want to say again that we are proud of each and every one of you and extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you. Have fun in the breakout rooms after the award ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, ma'am. She was the first woman engineer in the Tamil Nadu Highways Department. She was the first woman chancellor. Her vision is the sole inspiration to many students, including me, to achieve big in life. That's none other than our chairperson, Dr. Elizabeth Verghese, who has been kind enough to send us a message at this moment. Over to the message.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure on this occasion to welcome all our distinguished alumni from across the globe to this KCG Connect program 2021. Because this is going to be a virtual program, it gives an immense opportunity for all the alumni to connect globally and also to attend this program on a larger platform. Till now, we have been getting limited number of alumni from across the globe. Of course, we had every year alumni get together, and this is going to be right from beginning 2002 batch onwards will be attending this program because it is a great opportunity. I feel it's nice, but of course nothing is like meeting eye to eye. But this is another opportunity. Now we have to. The technology has grown, and it gives us immense opportunity to connect globally. And I would like to say that you must continue to keep in touch with your alumni friends and also your alma mater. You are our best brand ambassadors. You can contribute in a great manner because any program like you have a seminar, international seminar, you can address our students. It gives an immense opportunity not only for our students but also for you to meet up with your alma mater and the graduating students and others also, the students in general. KCG College of Technology, as you know, maybe you would have passed out from even recent years. For those, the information of those who have left us many years ago, that is about 18 years, the institution has grown from strength to strength and it is growing. We have the institution has been accredited by all the accrediting agencies like National Accreditation Agency. Then you have NBA, National Board of Accreditation. Then also NIRF ranking. We have been figuring in all this accreditation, and we are doing industry connected, and we are making stupendous progress, I should say. And our faculty are very good. Government of India UGC norms, they have increased norms of the institution to run additional courses or anything like that, and for approval. And the institution is growing every year from strength to strength. You must be glad to know that we are going for autonomous status shortly, and the progress generally you must be update on your alma mater. Maybe after leaving this institution you would have had your academic programs elsewhere and continuing your profession. So wherever you are, we wish you all the best. We would like to at least get in touch with each other from the institution, because when we know our alumni are doing very good in life and professionally as well as personally, we are the ones to get immensely happy and joy to know that our alumni are doing extremely well in life, because after all, that is the purpose of education, because education is the only way to improve oneself. As you know, KCG College of Technology, maybe when you are here, it would have been National Institute of Technology. I don't know how many, maybe the earlier batches might know when they were here. We were National Institute of Technology, but on other compulsions from government, government has taken over for regional engineering colleges. They have renamed as the National Institute of Technology, and we had to forgo our name at that time. And KCG College, by its name itself, now well known among the academicians and general populace in Chennai, and people, a large number of admissions being done. Despite COVID and other pandemic, we are still having good number of admissions. The students are really want to study. Only those who are want to progress in life only are coming, not to just while away the time just because there are umpteen number of colleges. We have got good strength of students, good number of students, good students who want to complete their programs in the KCG college up to they can do even PhD. From our departments are approved for PhD program, so you can pursue your PhD program, degree, postgraduate degree, and as well as PhD from working in KCG College itself. KCG College of Technology, as you all know, is a constituent of the larger Hindustan group of institutions. We had a couple of years before, when we completed our Golden Jubilee celebrations, we had a global alumni meet. I'm not sure how many of you would have attended. It was a gala program. As an alumni, you should not miss such opportunities to connect with your friends, connect with your alma mater, and connect with your other people. This virtual program will give a greater opportunity to meet up with your friends every now and then, or at least once a year. And also the Hindustan group of institution has completed, and under its fold we have got, apart from KCG College of Technology, as you know, we have Hindustan University, Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Hindustan International Schools. We have HIT Polytechnic College is there, and we have distant education programs, and also one outside Chennai. This is the Orient Flights Aviation Academy at Mysuru, and also first grade college there at Mysuru. On this occasion, we have decided to give awards to distinguished alumni and also the Young Alumni Achiever Award to our distinguished alumni members who have contributed substantially in their own field of activity in various categories. So I congratulate all those who are doing well, and maybe every year for the entire alumni group we'll be going on choosing. If you know anybody, you can suggest them, or you want to nominate yourself, you can do that also. And of course, we'll call for supporting the nominations, and you can be part of it. Wish you all good luck and have a great future.
That was a lovely message and a very valuable one. Thank you so much, ma'am. It is because of you that we are what we are today. Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have the KCG Connect report by Gauri Shankar, batch 2010. Founder of SpaceNext, co-founder Deccan Airsports, award-winning photographer, NGO runner, an ardent traveler, a food blogger, and the fanciest feather to his cap is how much he loves his college and how he wants us all to be together. Over to he's here to present the KCG Connect report to us.
Thank you, Aishwarya. So thank you for the introduction. Really happy to be here. Glad to connect with all the alumni virtually during these challenging times. And thanks to the management for having supported us with this current initiative. Also, the participants kindly bear with us if there are any kind of audio lags or video lags. We are having a lot of participants today, so it might happen now and then. We are trying our best to keep it as streamlined and good as possible, right? So I'll try to share my screen now. I'll be taking you through the KSG Connect report, what KSG Connect has been achieving all through these years. And that will definitely give you some kind of information and motivation to be a part of KSG Connect in the future. Just a second, I'll be sharing my screen. So the first batch of students passed out from KSG in the year 2002. We had a first alumni event in 2013. We are also a registered society. KSG that is the short form for KSG Connect Alumni Association, has organized reunions, guest lectures by alumni, internship placements, mentoring for students, and various social outreach activities. This is currently the list of committee members. So the list keeps changing, and we are a dynamic team. We are open to bringing in new members into the committee. So currently you can see our president, vice president, and all the other members. We are actually expecting more and more alumni to join our committee and to make it stronger than what it is now. Coming to the goals. So when KSG Connect started for the first time, when we initiated this as a society, which is going to be representing the alumni, there had been a lot of goals that we had shortlisted, and we have decided to focus on these. Primarily to connect alumni across the globe and create an opportunity to establish a sound network. That is what we are trying, and that is what we are trying even now, to have an international collaboration among alumni members. Enhance employment and internship opportunities and help current students receive mentoring support from the alumni. This is what Anita ma'am had also told us briefly towards the beginning of this event. So we are looking for alumni who would be mentoring students, at least like a small group of students, not for a large group, and provide them support in their respective field. Inspire, motivate, and educate young minds through guest seminars and workshops. So we will be having another slide on this, what the alumni had been contributing towards workshops, webinars, and seminars. Collaborate and support technology business incubation. So there is a technology business incubation wing of KSG College. This will be something that is applicable to students as well as the alumni. You can reach out to college if you're looking for that support. Raise funds to support social causes such as educational sponsor and environmental awareness. Upkeep and uplift the reputation of college and the institutional group. So there are so many goals here, but the one that I had just mentioned was the last but not the least. wherever you go, you will be a representative of KSG College, whether you have gone into your masters or whether you're someone who belongs to a good position in a company. KSG College will always be a part of your life, right? So that is where you would have learned certain values. So what we expect as an alumni committee, in order to kind of uplift this reputation and just communicate the image about college and what they have been doing in order to support students as such, which is considered as something very important and something very basic that you can do as an alumni. So that is as far as the goals are concerned. The first batch of alumni to have passed out of KCG, that was in the year 2002. It's nearly 19 years since then. We have had multiple alumni reunions since 2013. And we also have a very large database of alumni as of now. Just going through the rewind, our first alumni reunion, which was organized through KSG Connect, was conducted on 15th August 2014. And later, the second edition was conducted on 15th August 2015. So the very next year, we had the second edition. And we also had other events organized in between, such as placement interviews. And we also had the KSG Connect Society registration that happened in 2016. And then we went on to launch the KSG Connect Social Outreach Wing in the year 2017 on 15th of August. On 2nd December 2017, we had the Golden Convergence Alumni Reunion. So we had a mini reunion at KSG College, and then all of us moved on into Hindustan for the grand celebration that happened on this particular day. We also had social outreach activities in 2018, followed by the 4th KSG Connect Alumni Reunion that happened on 14th December 2019. And on 16th April 2020, we launched the first alumni digital webinar. So it's a series now, conducted more than 15 plus events. So these are alumni webinars so that are conducted for the current students of KCG. And 24th January 2021, which is today, we are having our 5th alumni reunion. This is the first virtual reunion, and we are also conducting the 2nd edition of the Alumni Awards. So this is just a short rewind. We have done so many other activities as well, but these are the primary ones, so that all of you know that what we have been doing in the past. These are a few pictures of our committee meets and also the alumni reunion, the physical alumni reunions that have happened in the past. These are some of our alumni and the activities. And these are some pictures from the social outreach activities that we have performed. And the digital series, as I was talking to you, so alumni come forward on a particular topic, and a webinar is organized for the current students based on the relevance. So if it is relevant to mechanical engineering students, then it is organized only for the mechanical engineering department. And if it is electronics or electrical, based on this, there are various webinars that have been organized. So here are a few names of those who have conducted these webinars for us in the year 2020. So we have done more than 15 webinars. If you need to go through any of these topics, if you feel that any of these topics might be useful to you, you can always refer to the link that I've shared on this particular slide. So you can go to the KSG College website, and there is an About section, and there is a button called the Digital Series. Or if you go to the home page also, you will find something called the Digital Series on the right side of the home page. If you click on it, you will be able to see all the alumni webinars as well. This is a virtual mock interview conducted on 10th October 2020. Many of our alumni came forward in order to support students to conduct these mock interviews. Thanks to all of them. And coming close to the end of this report, how could you support, right? So there are so many ways in which you can actually support. You can conduct webinar on informative subjects. Now that we have started these webinar series, you can actually support us with these webinars. I can provide mentoring services for students and mock interviews. You can provide summer internships, any kind of internships, any kind of duration. You can always approach college and our management and have a further discussion with them and to identify students who might benefit out of your internships if you're running a company or if your company is looking for interns. Assistance to younger alumni who are in the transition phase, especially alumni who are moving to new places. So you might be the best person to talk to them about what will happen when you are transitioning from one place to other, whether it be for higher education or whether it be for any kind of a career path. Alumni are looking for better opportunities. So you can always motivate them. Organizing job fairs and providing career counseling, collaboration with the University Placement Office and arranging for career services. You can recruit students for your company or for a company that you are working with. You can also sponsor students' education, right? So these are all the different ways in which alumni could actually contribute to the entire alumni team or committee as such, and as well as to college. Just a small snapshot. So the KSG Connect Alumni Association have been in operation more than 6 years. We have conducted more than 100 alumni activities. We've conducted 5 alumni reunions. And as of today, we are conducting the 2nd edition of the Alumni Excellence Awards. With that, I would like to wind up, and here is the email ID if you wish to connect to us, if you wish to contact us regarding anything that you would like to offer, or if you have a feedback or suggestion, a way in which it could push the current alumni association forward. We are definitely looking for these, and we are looking for more members to join us as well in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Gauri Shankar. We are indeed very proud of what we have achieved and feeling motivated to achieve more. The best teachers are those who tell you where to look than telling you what to see. Here's one such a person. Time spent with her are still fresh and green in my mind. She has been associated with KCG since its inception in 1998. A very warm welcome to Bindu ma'am, the special guest for today. She's here to share a few words with you all about her journey, after which you'll get a chance to interact with her too. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you, Aishwarya. A very good morning to one and all present here, and a warm welcome to all my dear students. I feel deeply honored as well as very much privileged to spend few minutes talking to all of you. KCG College of Technology was earlier called as National Institute of Technology and Science, NITS. That is how my first batch of students would like to introduce themselves. So I joined in NITS in the year 1998 as a fresher. We had students from mechanical, ECE, electrical and electronics, and computer science. We started with 4 branches. And I still remember we had 3 batches, A section, B section, and C section. That is how we started. And a handful of teachers, say 8 to 10 teachers only were there in campus. And it was a very good time teaching all of you, all my batch students. And a special thanks to the first batch of NITS, 1998 batch, because of whom I would say I had been able to get along for these 22 years. Being a fresher, you know, that particular 98 batch of students, they had various questions. You just like that cannot engage that particular batch of students. I had to prepare the amount of time I spent, the amount of preparation I did during my first year. That is what took me for so many years. And I'm very thankful to my first batch of students for having got an opportunity. As I told you, we had only a handful of students, handful of staff, and I had the opportunity of taking class for all the 98 batch of students at one point of time, either in the first semester or second semester. So I had that opportunity, which I'm not getting these years, because so many batches, I cannot be thinking of taking class for everybody. So thanks to the 98 batch, and of course the future batches too, for having given an opportunity. As teaching is my passion, I had been successful in my teaching career for the past 22 years here. And I'm also very happy to see many of our students placed in higher positions and doing very well. And still, so many of them, whenever they come to campus, they do spend some time in meeting me, saying hello to me. That I'm really happy when such moments come. So thank you, all of you. And I will conclude my talk, because I think just 1 or 2 minutes time is what is given to me. So I conclude my talk by saying that an institution's fame is not only in its administration or in its staff, but the main role is on the achievements and developments of its students. All of us are extremely proud and happy that each one of you have been an important part of our college. All of you will remain in our hearts forever. Please be connected with us, stay with us always, and may God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now you may raise your hand if you would like to have a small chat with Bindu ma'am. We'll be very happy to connect you all to her.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, self Vivek, ma'am. I'm mechanical engineering 2010 to 2014 batch.
Yeah, Vivek. Good morning. Nice to have you here. Can I just see your face? Can you put your video on?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Vivek.
how are you, ma'am?
Fine, Vivek. Fine. So nice
I'm
to have all
happy.
of you. I think virtual mode it has helped us, all of us from various parts of the world to join.
I hope, ma'am, you remember me, ma'am.
Yes, Vivek. Yes, as I told you, it takes some time for me to recollect because it is my 23rd year here. So I'm remembering you.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, Yesu sir asked me to join this alumni meet, ma'am, and along with Amruta, ma'am. I'm in contact with Amruta, ma'am,
I see.
Venkateshan
Okay.
sir, and I have joined army, ma'am. I'm here posted in Uttar.
Very good. So that's what I told you. Seeing all of you in various walks of life, in various positions, we are all very happy to see that.
I'm also happy, ma'am, after seeing a long duration. It's been around 6 odd years, ma'am, 5 to 6 odd years.
Yes. So when you come to Chennai, please do visit the college.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Vivek,
you, ma'am.
congratulations from the alumni team as well. And really, we are also proud that you are there. If you have any questions to ask Bindu ma'am, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll be moving on to the next person.
Thank you, sir. You can move on to the next.
Right. Okay, Vivek. Right. Thank you.
Hi, Bintu ma'am. This is Archa from
Archa.
the 2010 batch.
Yes.
It's so good to see you.
Thank you. Same here.
I was just wondering, since Gauri was asking or suggesting us to ask you questions, since you've been in college for 23 odd years and you have started with KCG and you have taught so many batches initially and you were new that time, do you see any difference between the students of the initial batch and the batch right now? I mean, in terms
Yes,
of teaching.
there are a lot of differences. As I told you, teaching the first batch of students, as I was new also, I had to prepare. I had to anticipate what questions will the student ask. And in a class of 50, at least 20-25 students will come forth with questions, which we miss these days. To be
So
frank,
we don't. So the current batch don't ask you enough questions. Is that what it is?
See, that I really miss that. Uh, I don't know the reasons for it, but the way the questions were put forth by our senior students, by all of you, are not to be seen these days. Probably it might be due to shortage of time. Initially, we had one full year, 7 to 8 months, we were with it. Now it is hardly 3 or 4 months. So teachers also, we rush to finish the syllabus.
I think even the internet has also done the teacher's work, but there's nothing as good as being with a teacher, a mentor.
Definitely.
So
That
the
conventional-
internet is a blessing, but not really. But yeah.
Exactly. For the whole of 2 semesters we have been on online. I really miss that conventional way of teaching, being in college, seeing face to face.
Hoping this will end soon and we all can, I mean, the current batch can
Definitely.
actually get back.
Definitely.
Thank you for your time, ma'am.
Yes, that's it.
Srividya, you would like to have a conversation? Your audio is on.
Sure. Hi, Bindu ma'am. This is Srividya from 98 batch.
Yeah, Srividya,
batch.
Vidya
Oh,
and
Vidya is also here online today.
Srividya, Vidya
just
and
joined.
Sandhya. 3 of you. I
Oh,
cannot.
ma'am, you remember us? Oh, amazing. Very happy to hear that.
Yeah.
So-
I still remember. I told you, first batch I cannot forget.
Yeah, me.
So can I have you on the video mode, Srividya? Good opportunity for all of us to see you.
Sorry, I think I got disconnected. No, we used to sit in the first bench and bother you a lot with a lot of questions. At least Vidya and Sandhya used to. So it's really nice to see you after so many years.
Same here, Srividya.
Oh, you haven't aged a bit now. You just look just the same as you used to before.
Thank you. It's, students who always keep us young.
No, you wouldn't say that when you see us, though.
So where are you, Srividya, now?
Right now, I'm in San Francisco. So,
Okay.
after my bachelor's, I moved here, and 19 years I've been here. So,
Okay, and what about Vidya and Sandhya?
Vidya is in San Diego, and Sandhya is in Atlanta.
Okay. So nice
So,
to.
we three are still in touch. We talk regularly over the phone or FaceTime, and we are
The
still
4
in touch.
years to spend, you were like that. So.
Yeah. And we still have a lot of people from our batch are here in the Bay Area. So we used to meet up quite often, like at least once a year. Tina is the one who motivates us to meet once in a while, and she's been organizing meetings here.
Yeah,
So
that's good to hear.
Yeah, you remember Gopi, Ganesh?
Yeah, for sure. Yes.
So all those guys are here right now.
Arvind Sridhar.
Arvind was here and he moved to Seattle.
I
But
see.
yeah, so it's really nice to hear your voice. And
That batch, I cannot forget.
it's nice talking to you, ma'am. I'll not keep you. I know a lot of people want to talk to you.
Same here.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Nostalgic conversations. I'm sure all of you are really eager to talk to her, but she'll be available in the breakout rooms after the event. Thank you so much, ma'am. Brace yourself as we take a trip down the memory lane for all of you to cherish for a lifetime. Here's the video. Time sure flies. The smile that at the end of your lips is something that you will take home today. Arriving at one's goal is the starting point to another. It's time to honor those who have found their goals among us. Dr. Annie Jacob, a doctorate from IIT Madras, is at the helm of affairs as the director of this college. She is the recipient of the Best Women Entrepreneur Award by ICTACT Bridge 2015, Eminent Women Edupreneur Award by the Times Group 2015. She has many more accolades to her name. Very happy to welcome Dr. Annie Jacob, the director of our college, to open the awards for the Alumni Achievers 2021 second edition.
Thank you, Aishwarya.
Yes.
I hope I am visible and audible.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. President of KCG Connect, Mr. Saravanan Chittibabu, the organizing committee who have done an amazing job bringing us all together, and all who are present here for this virtual meet. Good morning and wishing you all a very happy and a blessed 2021. This must be a very special and meaningful morning for all of us. In fact, you're here because of your love and concern for your alma mater. I choose to believe that, though I very well know it's a great chance for all of you to connect with your friends. Many of you who could not make it today, many of our alumni across the globe, I'm sure they would not have been able to attend this program due to various peer reasons. They have sent in their good wishes. This moment is memorable, and I feel extremely glad to virtually meet all our alumni who are able to make it to this KCG Connect. Allow me to tender my gratitude to each and every one of you for finding time to appear online. I know it takes a lot of effort to set aside time out of your busy schedules, especially from various time zones, but I do hope the experiences of today will be worth the effort that you all have put in. Now, a decade ago, ours was a very tiny developing organization. Today, our students and scholars over the globe, they cover the globe in their search for knowledge and meaning, and their contributions make a difference everywhere to the society as well as to the profession they are in. As alumni who truly love and faithfully support this great institution, I know you share my pride in what we are doing and where we plan to go. In the recent years, KCG Tech has been steadily building its capacity, trying to create a great campus, and our alumni are the pillars of this institution, and they still continue to be so. Anytime we have reached out in various capacity, in fact, Dr. Anita had just mentioned it, all possible help has been extended, and we would like to thank each one of you who have been there throughout the journey of KCG Tech's 20+ years. On that note, we felt that we wanted to honor and recognize our alumni who have worked very hard in all their areas and excelled in whatever they have endeavored into. Now, nominations were invited for achievements in various categories. We had, in fact, we had the professional category, we had academia and research, we had arts and media, we had community service, entrepreneurship, professional in terms of private, as well as the government service also. The shortlisted nominations in each category were in fact sent to distinguished members in various fields. Our jury panel comprised of Lieutenant General Bobby Matthews, who's a decorated Army General. We had Mr. Kirtivasan representing industry. He's the campus hiring head from Virtusa. We had Mr. Dore Todla, he's a serial entrepreneur. We had Mrs. Sumitra Prasad, who is the founder of Dore Foundation. We had Dr. Parvati and Dr. Muthukumaran, professors and heads. They're from the Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, our parent university. The Alumni Achievers will be awarded the Distinguished Alumni Award and Young Alumni Achiever Award. In fact, our chairperson had mentioned the same. The criteria for each of these awards have been very carefully designed and structured. In fact, I'll just quickly run through a few for the benefit of our listeners. For academia and research, what we looked into was the academic merit, the research contributions, the internal exposure, I would say even the internal international exposures also, the national impact they have created, and the social contribution. When it comes to arts and media, we again looked at their international as well as the national impact and the various awards they have received. When it's community service, how they touched lives, still consistent with that, and they were making differences in the society, imparting any possible help to the others. how proactive they were, the responsibility they have taken up in addition to their professional, and the sustainability. Entrepreneurship was evaluated based on a proven business model, the revenue per employee, the customer acquisition, and their potential for growth. In the professional, private, as well as the government sectors, we looked at their scope of work, their technical contribution, growth trajectory, and also the social impact they had created. So this is how we actually had brainstormed and put down the criteria which we had shared with the jury panel. Now, to announce the names under various categories, I will hand it over to Dr. Anita Manuel. So let's all sit back and enjoy the same.
Thank you, ma'am. I think we can move on to the next slide, Pavan. So first category, academia and research. In 2015, the Distinguished Alumni Award recipient was Subhash Rahul Shekhar. The current shortlisted nominees, Dr. Govindarajan, Dr. Ferdin, Mr. Thomas John, Mr. Sabri, Dr. Tirinanam, Dr. Balaji, Mr. Preetham, and Mr. Sudhakar. The accomplishments were so much that, you know, we were wondering how the jury was going to select. And you heard the matrix from the jury. They looked at academic merit, research contributions, international exposure, and social impact. And to arrive at our recipients of the two Distinguished Alumni Awards. The first winner. Dr. Govindarajan has something like 1,493 recipients, citations. And his, all his achievements, there were so many words which I didn't know, but I'm just going to rattle out a few so that if you know, okay, you can appreciate. But mainly I can say this much. It's research into cancer. Some of the terms which I didn't understand, which I'm going to repeat, is bronchial irreversible electropoton endoscopic bile duct. If he's here, I hope he'll forgive me for the way I'm pronouncing all these words. Ablation, macrophage mediated immunotherapy. I'm not going to stop over here, but you can imagine how impressive all the research that he has conducted, and he has received many recognitions from everywhere. So it was not very difficult for the jury to arrive at this particular name. Dr. Govindarajan, congratulations. Our next winner. Again, a lot of things which I know nothing about. He was responsible for the first hybrid rocket engine. He has worked on rocket engine which uses water as one oxidizer, semi-cryogenic engines, another area, ballistic testing of India's heaviest launch vehicle. As you can see, I'm really clueless about all these things, just impressed. But it was not for me to judge. It was for an eminent jury panel who knew what they were doing. Mr. Sudhakar S., congratulations for all your achievements. Our next field, arts and media. The last year's Distinguished Alumni Award, Bala Gangadharan, Satish Kumar, and Jyotsna and Radhikana. Jyotsna is joining us today. She's going to sing. They were 2015 winners. The nominees this time for the current, Vigneshwaran S., Arjun Krishna, Mr. Surender M., Mr. Ruben Kishore, Mr. Ram Kumar Kanakarajan. And the winners. For the Young Alumni Achiever Award, we have Mr. Vigneshwaran S., Mr. Ruben Kishore, and Mr. Surender. Mr. Arjun Krishna. The criteria was international national recognition, national honors, awards. The second winner, Distinguished Alumni Award. Mr. Ramkumar Kanakarajan. It's a name I think many of you in the music field will know. Drummer for excellence is not a very man. He has performed for various international tours where he has, performed at least in 10 countries. So congratulations, Mr. Ramkumar. You're on, Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, yeah. Aishwarya, you're Aishwarya, you are
Aishwarya's on
muted,
mute.
Aishwarya.
Aishwarya. You're muted, dear. You're muted. Please unmute yourself.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
A drummer can keep anyone on the beat, they say. Here's Ramkumar Kanakaraj from the batch of 2015, who has performed in a lot of live concerts. He's a rhythm programmer and the most versatile young drummer in the industry. Joining him is Nalin from batch 2015 on the mridanga. So let's rock and roll.
Hello, everybody. This is Ramkumar Kanakarajan, and I'm from the 2011 to 2015 batch of mechanical engineering. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Anita ma'am, KCG Connect, and the rest of the alumni for giving me and Nalin this opportunity to perform for you all. Although it's virtual, I hope you all enjoy this performance. And it gives me goosebumps, the fact that there were people from 98 batch on the same call, and I was born in 94. So it gives me immense pleasure to be performing for you all. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the performance.
Wonderful performance by Ram Kumar and Nalan, remembering of the days they jammed in the KCG auditorium. It was great to listen to you both. Aishwarya?
Anita ma'am, Aishwarya, I think she has some net problem. We couldn't see her on the panelist. Yeah, so you can go ahead with this.
So the next alumni awards are for the community services. The recipients of the 2015 Distinguished Alumni Award in this category is Nanashekaran, Gauri Shankar, and Pragadish Nandakumar. Shortlisted nominees this year, Mr. Kishore Kumar, Mr. Kamalishwari, Ms. Divya, Mr. Sivanandan. Young Alumni Achiever Award to Ms. Kamalishwari R. As a National Youth Volunteer, she has done amazing work with the youngsters in guiding them. The criteria, as you all know, for community. So Ms. Divya S. won the Distinguished Alumni Award for all the work she has been doing, all the community service they have been doing. So it was criteria was the social impact and the individual responsibility and the sustained follow through were the three criteria. Congratulations, Ms. Divya. The next alumni category, award category, was Defense Services. This was the first time we're having this category. It was not there in the last edition of our Alumni Awards. The shortlisted nominees, Mr. Ashutosh Yadav, Mr. Andrew Thomas Fuller, Mr. Hina Praveen, Mr. Vivek TJ. Young Alumni Achiever Award goes to Ashutosh Yadav, who's a captain in the Indian Army, Hina Praveen, who's an assistant commander in the Indian Coast Guard, Andrew Thomas Fuller, who's a major in the Indian Army. And the distinguished award goes to congratulations, Vivek, for his service and for his part in the rescue operations. He was selected by the General Bobby Matthews to receive this particular award. Congratulations, Mr. Vivek. Our next category, entrepreneurship. Last year's winners, Muthukumar and Russell Nixon, not last year, last edition, please. This time, shortlisted nominees, it's a long list. Mr. Balavanan, we received some 28, and out of these names were shortlisted. Balavanan, Mr. Balasurya, Mr. Aditya, Mr. Someshwaran, Mr. Shivanindita, Mr. Amrish Raj, Ms. Kavita Gopalakrishnan, Mr. Naresh, Mr. Vigneshwaran, Mr. Nitish, Mr. Kartiswaran. And the Young Alumni Achiever goes to Shivanindita T for her, she's got a startup which works with drones, and Balavanan, Balasurya, and Ajit Kannan, all of them with startups. I have to say this before we move on to the distinguished award. So Pawan, 1 second. The jury panel spent at least 2 days, and I was there at the tail end, including directors, spent so much time looking at all these nominees because all of them were so good. And I was there at the tail end and listening to all the words that were being tossed around, like customer acquisition, proven business model, high potential, revenue per employee. All these factors were looked into and analyzed over many days, further proofs asked before they arrived at this 3 people with great difficulty for the Young Alumni Achiever Award. And the distinguished award goes to Congratulations, Mr. Nitish Saira. Congratulations, Mr. Amrish Raj. As I said earlier, it was with a great, lot of difficulty that they were able to select, and it was after a hard analysis that both of you, Nitish and Amrish, emerged as the best startups and what shall I say, worthy of receiving the Distinguished Alumni Award. Congratulations to both the winners.
Thank you, Anita ma'am, for that, for introducing the winners as well, and for awarding the winners of those categories. Next, we are moving on to Arun and Aravind. The well-known twins among college. They will be known to the older batches and the newer batches as of now. So we would like to invite Arun and Aravind to share a few words with the alumni, and we are really glad that you guys could make time to join us today. And over to you guys.
நன்றி வணக்கம். ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே டபுள் வணக்கம். ஸோ இந்த சண்டேல இவ்வளோ தூரத்துக்கு கேசிஜிக்காக இவ்வளோ தூரம் வந்திருக்கீங்க, இவ்வளோ பேர் நினைக்கும் போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. அண்ட் எங்களுக்கு இதுல ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிற விஷயங்கள் ஒன்னே ஒண்ணுதான். தஞ்சாவூர்ல இருந்து சிட்டி எக்ஸ்போஷரே இல்லாம ஒரு சென்னைக்கு போறோம், நாம எப்படி சர்வே ஆக போறோம் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு சின்ன பயத்துல தான் கிளம்பி இன்ஜினியரிங்காக வந்து கேசிஜி காலேஜ்குள்ள வந்தோம். கிட்டத்தட்ட எங்களோட எக்ஸ்போஷர் வந்து அப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 10% இருந்திருந்தா பெரிய விஷயம். எனக்கு இவனுக்கு நான் சொல்லிட்டு எங்களுக்குள்ளேயே ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு வேர்ல்டு வச்சுட்டு அங்கேயே ஓடிட்டு இருந்தோம். சென்னைக்குள்ள வந்துட்டு கேசிஜிக்குள்ள வந்தோன்னு தான் இங்க எங்களுக்கு நிறைய கத்து கொடுத்தது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எங்களோட ஹாஸ்டல் லைஃப். ஸோ அதை தான் நான் மெயினா பதிவு பண்ணோம். ஸோ நம்மளும் போராடி ஜெயிக்கலாம், நாமளும் வாழ்க்கையில நிறைய பேரை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு கத்து கொடுத்தது எங்களுடைய ஹாஸ்டல் லைஃப் தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்படியே சென்னைக்கு ஹாஸ்டல் லைஃபுக்கு அப்புறம் காலேஜ் முடிச்சுட்டு கேசிஜில நம்ம என்ன கத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படிங்கிற விஷயம் வந்து படிக்கும் போது எங்களுக்கு தெரியவே இல்லை. படிக்கும் போது நிறைய திட்டு வாங்கிட்டே இருந்ததுனால சரி ஓகே நம்ம எதுவும் கத்துக்கல போல அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் அப்படியே வெளில வந்தோம். பட் இங்க நாங்க ஃபேஸ் பண்ண நிறைய விஷயங்கள், இங்க நாங்க வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ண நிறைய விஷயங்கள் மீடியா கேரியர்ல நாங்க உள்ள போயிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு ஷோ எங்கள்கிட்ட கொடுத்து, இந்த ஷோ எங்களுக்கு பண்ணி கொடுங்க, இந்த விஜய் டிவில ஒரு கலக்க போகுது யாருங்கிற ஒரு ஷோ வந்து நீங்க வந்து பண்ணி கொடுங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்கும் போது எங்களுக்கு கைட் பண்ணது எங்க காலேஜ் லைஃப்ல நாங்க எங்களுக்காக ஏர்ன் பண்ண ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷோல எங்களுக்கு கூட ஒர்க் பண்ண நாங்க கூப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டது கேசிஜில எங்களுடைய ஜூனியர்ஸ் அண்ட் எங்க கூட மெக்கானிக்கல்ல படிச்ச என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான். ஸோ 40 பேர் சேர்ந்து தான் நாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷோ வந்து பண்ணி கொடுத்தோம். ஏன்னா எங்களுக்கு வெளியில யாரு கான்டாக்டும் கிடையாது, வெளியில யாரெல்லாம் தெரியும் கேட்டா எங்களுக்கு சத்தியமா தெரியாது. ஸோ கேசிஜிக்குள்ள இருந்து நாங்க அழைச்சிட்டு போன 40 பேர் தான் எங்களோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. இதை ஏன் நான் இங்க பதிவு பண்றேன்னா, நாம இருக்கிற இடத்துல நாம இங்க முடிச்சுட்டு எவ்வளவு காசு சம்பாதிக்க போறோங்கிறத தாண்டி இங்க இருக்கும் போதே எவ்வளவு மனிதர்களை சம்பாதிச்சுட்டு போறோம் அப்படிங்கறத யோசிச்சோன்னு சொன்னா கண்டிப்பா லைஃப்ல அடுத்த கட்டம் போலாம். அண்ட் காலேஜ் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் வெளியில வந்து நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து ஃபேஸ் பண்ண எங்களுக்கான கைடன்ஸ் எல்லாமே இந்த காலேஜ்ல படிச்ச ஜூனியர்ஸ் கிட்ட தான் கிடைச்சிச்சு. ஏன் அதையும் நான் சொல்றேன்னு சொன்னா, நான்லாம் வந்துட்டேன், நான் அடுத்த கட்டம் போயிட்டேன்னு யோசிக்கிறத தாண்டி நம்மளை விட பெட்டர் நாலேஜ் நம்மளுக்கு கீழே இருக்கிற பசங்களுக்கும் வரும். ஸோ அவங்க கிட்டையும் டச்ல இருந்தா நாமளும் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம், அப்கிரேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கேசிஜி கனெக்ட்ல நாங்க தொடர்ந்து கனெக்டடா இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரே காரணம், இங்க அடுத்தடுத்து வர பேட்ச் கிட்டையும் பழகணும், அவங்கள்ட்டையும் சிரிச்சு பேசணும், அவங்களையும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆக்கிக்கணும், அவங்களும் ஏதாவது சொல்லி கொடுத்தா நம்ம அப்கிரேட் பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறது ஒரே ரீசன் தான். ஏன்னா முடிச்சுட்டு போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் எங்களுக்கு மேல இருக்கிற எல்லாருமே வந்து நம்ம ஓரளவுக்கு டச்ல இருப்போம். ஏன்னா நமக்கு ஒண்ணு வேணும்னு சொன்னா நம்ம அண்ணங்க கிட்ட எல்லாம் கேட்போம். ஸோ அப்படி இருக்கும் போது நம்ம கீழே இருக்கிறவங்கள கண்டுக்க மாட்டோம் இல்லையா. பட் நாங்க இங்க ஆசைப்படுறது அலுமினைஸ் முடிச்சுட்டு போன எல்லாருமே ஏதோ ஒரு கம்பெனில நாம இருப்போம். ஸோ இங்க இருக்கிற பசங்களுக்கு இது இருக்குமா பண்ணுங்க, இது வந்து இங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க, இங்க வந்து இதை கேளுங்க, இது உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும்னு சொல்லிட்டு கொஞ்சம் கரியர் கைடன்ஸ் கொடுத்தா அவங்களுடைய லைஃப்ல க்ரோத் இன்னும் ஒரு 2% ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்கும். ஸோ நிறைய அலுமினைஸ் இந்த வரையும் என்கேஜ் ஆயிருக்கீங்க. காலேஜோட டச்ல இருங்க, கேசிஜி கனெக்டோட டச்ல இருங்க, காலேஜுக்கு வந்து செமினார்ஸ் எடுங்க. அவங்க எல்லாம் எதிர்பார்க்கறது ஒன்னே ஒண்ணுதான், நம்மள டீச்சர்ஸ் கைட் பண்ற மாதிரி இங்க முடிச்சுட்டு போன அண்ணங்க கைட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்களா? அங்க சின்ன ஆசை நிறைய பேருக்கு இருக்கும். நம்ம வந்து பண்ணா நமக்கு அதனால பெனிஃபிட்டா அதெல்லாம்ங்கிறது அடுத்தது. பட் அவ்வளோ லைவ்லியா, அவ்வளோ சந்தோஷமா நாம படிச்ச இடத்த திரும்பி பார்க்கும்போது ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. ஒரு அழகான ஒரு வீடியோ ஒண்ணு வந்திருக்கும். காலேஜ் லைஃபோட வீடியோ. நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. ஒரு கம்பெனியோட சிஇஓ, ஃபவுண்டர், ப்ராப்ரேட்டர் எல்லாமே தான் இங்க உட்கார்ந்துருக்கீங்க. காலேஜ் லைஃப் படிக்கும்போது எப்படி டக் இன் பண்ணணும், எப்படி டைப் பண்ணணும், நாம நின்ன முகங்கள்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது அவ்வளோ பெரிய சிஇஓ, ப்ரொப்ரேட்டரா தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. எவ்வளவு அழகான மெமரிஸ் நாம எப்படி வாழ்ந்தோங்க தெரிஞ்சு இல்லையா? அதெல்லாம் ரீகலெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு கேசிஜி கனெக்டோட இன்னைக்கு நீங்க வந்துட்டீங்க. அடுத்த வருஷம் கேசிஜி கனெக்டோட உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸையும் வர வைங்க. இது எல்லாமே எங்களோட லைஃப். நாங்க இதெல்லாம் பண்ணிருக்கோங்கிறத தாண்டி இதெல்லாம் நடந்துச்சுன்னா இன்னும் அழகா இருக்கணும்னு சொல்றதுக்கு தான் அருண் அரவிந்த் பேசிக்கா என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, பிக் பாஸ், கலக்க போவது யாரு, சூப்பர் சிங்கர், விஜய் டிவி, ஜி தமிழ், சன் டிவி இது எல்லா சேனல்லையும் நடக்கிற ரியாலிட்டி ஷோஸ் ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்றோம். கௌதம் மேனன் சார் கிட்ட, அப்புறம் நயன்தாரா மேம், விஜய் சேதுபதி சார் கிட்ட காஸ்டிங் டைரக்டரா இருக்கும். இது இவ்ளோ இந்த விஷயங்கள்லாம் பண்ணாலும் அருண் அரவிந்தோட பேசிக் பிஇ கேசிஜி காலேஜ்ங்கிறது தான் அடையாளம். ஸோ அந்த ஒரு டேர்ம்காக மட்டுமே தான் இங்க இருக்கமே தவிர காஸ்டிங் டைரக்டரா இருக்கும், ரியாலிட்டி ஷோஸ் ஆர்கனைசரா இருக்கவும் கிடையாது. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி எல்லாருமே எவ்வளவு உயரத்துக்கு போனாலும் உங்கள் கால் தடங்களை பதிய வைத்து நடந்து போன கேசிஜி காலேஜ் தான் டிராவல். நீங்க பிஹெச்டி, டாக்டரேட் எல்லாமே வாங்கியிருந்தாலும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிஇ இங்க இருந்தா வாங்கியிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? அதனால இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு அதே மாதிரி நடந்துக்கிட்டா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இங்கே நாங்க மனிதர்களை சம்பாதிக்கணும்னு நினைச்சுதான் ஆசைப்பட்டு வந்திருக்கோம். நீங்களும் அதே ஆசைப்பட்டால் என்னைக்கும் ஒருத்தனுக்கு 2 பேர் இருக்கும், எங்களையும் அணுகலாம். தேங்க்யூ சோ மச். எங்களுடைய இங்க நிறைய ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ், இயேசு சார் இருக்காங்க, பிந்து மேம் இருக்காங்க, அண்ட் அனிதா மேம் இருக்காங்க. நாங்க காலேஜ் படிக்கும் போது அவங்க கிட்ட எல்லாம் வந்து இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணவே ஒரு பயம் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா நாம பெருசா வந்து எதுவுமே அப்ப பண்ணல. தைரியமா சார் சொல்லுங்க சார், அடுத்து என்ன சார் அப்படின்னு கேட்கிற அளவுக்கு நாம எதுவும் சாதிக்கல காலேஜ் படிக்கும் போது. நிறைய டைம் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். திருப்பி வரதெல்லாம் அந்த 4 வருஷத்துல அவங்க கிட்ட எல்லாம் நல்ல பிள்ளையா இருந்து பழகாத நேரத்தை வெளியில போயிட்டு கிடைக்கிற டைம் எல்லாம் வந்து பழகிக்குங்கிற ஒரே ஆசையில தான். ஸோ அந்த ஆசையை கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா நிறைவேற்றிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். கடைசி ஒரு எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு 6 to 7 இயர்ஸ் எது நடந்தாலும் எங்களுடைய பங்களிப்பை நாங்க கொடுக்கணும்னு பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ அந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியை கொடுத்த கேசிஜி கல்லூரி அத்தனை ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ்க்கும் எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ சோ மச். எல்லா ஜூனியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ட்வின் லவ் கொடுக்குறோம். நீங்க ஆசைப்படுறது எல்லாமே லைஃப்ல டபுள் ஃபாஸ்டா கிடைக்கிறதுக்கும் உங்கள் சந்தோஷங்கள் இரட்டிப்பாகிறதுக்கும் எங்க 2 பேரோட மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். தேங்க்யூ சோ மச்.
Thank you Arun and Arvind. Really great to have you guys. அதுவும் தமிழ்ல பேசினது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. நானும் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன், சரி எங்கேயாவது உள்ள ஆரம்பிச்சு வைக்கலாமே அப்படின்னு. Okay, all right. So thank you Arun and Arvind. Please stay with us as much as you can. We'll be moving on to the next set of awards. I'd like to invite Anita ma'am to please.
Yeah. So we are now going to award in the categories of professional, private sector. The 2015 winner was Sidhu Kalappan. Shortlisted nominees. Again, it's a long list of nominees. We had 26 plus nominations. Out of that shortlist was Mr. Dibakar Paul, Mr. Ravi Kiran, Miss Thamari. It's clearly terrible. I have to tell my students will know how I mispronounce names. Miss Reshma R, Miss Jayaprad, Miss Narayanan, Mr. Kishore. Mr. Madan Raj, Mr. Chidambaram, Miss Nandini, Miss Vidya Chandar, Miss Suman, Miss Subhadev. Again, let me say it's an honor to be nominated itself into the shortlist because all of you have so many excellent achievements. Mr. Dibakar, Mr. Jayaprada. Mr. Dibakar was noted for his technical contribution by the jury. Ms. Jayaprada for her work on various projects in Bangladesh. Mr. Reshma R, again with lots of huge government projects. Ms. Subhadev. All of them nominated for and winner of the Young Alumni Achiever Award. Congratulations. The Distinguished Alumni Award. Mr. Madan Raj Dharani Kumar. He was appreciated both for his scope of work, growth, how he just passed out in 2015 and how fast he has grown and the awards he has received. Congratulations, Mr. Madan Raj. The next category is professional government sector. Again, this category was not there in the previous edition. It's a new edition this time. Shortlisted nominees, Mr. Harihara Sudan, Ms. Gayatri, Ms. Suganya. And based on the social impact, the Young Alumni Achiever Awards in this category went to Ms. Gayatri, who is with the Ministry of Labor and Employment, and she has been, doing a lot of career guidance for innumerable youth across the country. And the second recipient is Ms. Suganya for the tremendous work she's doing. She's part of the Tamil Nadu Forest Department, working among the tribals. Great work. Recipients of Young Alumni Achiever Award. Congratulations, Gayatri and Suganya. The category in sports, I have to say that most of the nominations that came in were all achievements in when we were students at KCG. Clearly, nobody is pursuing a career in sports. And the shortlisted nominees were Mr. Selvakumar, Mr. Yakash, Ms. Archer, Mr. Rampre, Mr. Tom Jude, and Mr. Vijay Srihari. And Vijay Srihari won for his performance in tennis, currently and with McKinsey and Company, but it was for his achievements in tennis that he won the Young Alumni Achiever Award.
Thank you, Anita ma'am. So we next have a performance, a musical performance. This is by Ms. Jyotsna, who was a 2006 batch, from the 2006 batch, and we have Rajni from 2006, and we have Janani from the 2007 batch. Jyotsna and Radhika, so they were two sisters, prominent sisters during that time at KCG, who had participated in various events for us. They have won so many awards for KCG, and even after that, they continued their journey with over 250 concerts and much more to say. So maybe I am short of words, but we'll definitely have Jyotsna, Rajni, and Janani talk a little bit about themselves before the performance. I would now like to invite the team to perform the musical note which they have prepared for today. Jyotsna, over to you.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and so very happy to see all of you here, and specifically so happy to see Bindu ma'am. I'm just turning my video on, just give me a second, please.
Yes, we can see you now.
Great. Thank you so much again for having us. And this also gave us an opportunity to reconnect with the band that we used to represent KCG with. We used to call ourselves Dhwani back then. And I hope you still have some of our shields in the Dean's room today. I also have my friends Rajni and Janani here.
Joe, I'm not able to turn on the video because it says the host has disabled it.
Yeah, I've got the same issue.
So for today, we have just put together a few songs. I hope you like this. This is going to be virtual, so we have tried to make it virtual and live. So I'm not sure how it's going to come through, but we really hope you enjoy what we have for you. Thank you again for having us.
A very good morning to all of you. I'm Rajni Ashokkumar from the 2002-06 batch. I was in the AAA department. Like Jyotsna, as she rightly pointed out, we had a very beautiful time at KCG back then, going to almost all the cultural programs that were organized by all the colleges. And as we just saw our KC Tech pictures, it was getting a little nostalgic. Anyway, so thank you for having us here today. And even though it's a virtual meet, we have tried our best to make this work for us. So sit back and enjoy. Jyotsna, are you
Hello,
ready?
everybody. This is Janani, and I'm from the 2007 batch. And thank you for having us. And as Joe said and Rajni mentioned, this alumni gave us an opportunity to reconnect amidst our busy schedule, and we really hope you enjoy what we are going to present today. Thank you.
Jyotsna, are you ready?
Yes. Can you hear?
Yeah. காற்றின் ஒலியாய் இசையா பூவின் மொழி நிறமா மணமா கடலின் மொழி அலையா நுரையா காதல் மொழி விழியா இதழா இயற்கையின் மொழிகள் புரிந்துவிடு மனிதரின் மொழிகள் தேவையில்லை இதயத்தின் மொழிகள் புரிந்துவிடு மனிதர்க்கு மொழியே தேவையில்லை காற்றின் மொழி
கங்கை வெள்ளம் பாயும் போது கரைகள் என்ன வேலையோ ஆவியோடு சேர்ந்த ஜோதி பாதை மாறக்கூடுமோ மனங்களின் நிறம் பார்த்த காதல் முகங்களின் நிறம் பார்க்குமோ நீ கொண்டு வா காதல் வரம் பூத்தூவுமே பன்னீர் மரம் சூடான கனவுகள் கண்ணோடு தள்ளாட வெள்ளை புறா ஒன்று எங்கள் கையில் வராமலே வெள்ளை புறா ஒன்று ஏங்குது கையில் வராமலே நமது கதை புது கவிதை இலக்கணங்கள் இதற்கு இல்லை நான் உந்தன் பூமாலையோ வெள்ளை புறா ஒன்று ஏங்குது கையில் வராமலே
பசுகரியும் அந்த சிசுகரியும் பாலை மறந்து அந்த பாம்பரியும் பசுகரியும் அந்த சிசுகரியும் பாலை மறந்து அந்த பாம்பரியும் வருந்தும் உயிர்க்கு வருந்தும் உயிர்க்கு ஒரு மருந்தாகும் இசை அருந்தும் முகம் மலரும் அரும்பாகும் இசையின் பயனே தானே பாமாறு கரு கரு கனிதனி
பாமாரி கரி கரி கனிதனி ரினி ரி கரி கம கமத மத நிசா நிரிசா நிரிசா
சாசா நிரி சனிதனி நீ நீத சனித மத சாசா நிரி சனித நீ நீத சனித மத தானி மாமா க மத சனித மகரி காற்றில் வரும் கீதமே கண்ணனை
சங்கீதமே என் கண்ணனை அறிவாயா. Thank you.
That was wonderful, Jyotsna, Rajini, Janani. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us the
We got an
opportunity.
opportunity to listen to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now we are coming to the special awards, which we are going to give. These awards are for lifelong engagement, or should I say, at least every year they are with us for so many events, for their engaging with their alma mater right through. These awards are being given to. So this year's Special Alumni Award goes to 4 alumni. Mr. Gauri Shankar, all of you saw, this is for every initiative that he takes to empower both the alumni, the current students, and give back to his alma mater. So many steps, including kickstarting the webinar, alumni series, as well as taking the initiative for this particular alumni meet. Mr. Sudhakar S, again, mentoring students, some of our Aero students, giving back to the alma mater and working hard to make this alumni meet a success. Arun and Arvind, always with us. Again, as they themselves mentioned, for any time you reach out to them, they help in many ways, whether to judge events or to bring, the appropriate chief guest to the campus. And Mr. Ram Kumar, again, this year particularly, I think we have been, pestering him for this and that, and every time obliging with his performances, however busy he is. So to all 4 of them, our special thanks and congratulations and the Special Alumni Award of 2021. I now request our director, Dr. Annie Jacob. She has a special announcement to make for the KCG alumni who are with us. Ma'am.
Yeah, congratulations to all the awardees. Congratulations to all the awardees. But for us, all of you are winners, and thanks to our special alumni, eminent sense, the ones who have received the award, they've been constantly supporting and encouraging us. But to all the winners, and of course, to Rajni, Janani, and Jyotsna, that was a beautiful, rendition for a Sunday morning. And for us, all of you are winners. In fact, all our alumni, and we continue to hope and pray that our alumni remain blessed, happy, safe, and well accomplished wherever they are. Please do continue to keep our institution in prayers, and we need your support always to take this institution to greater heights. On that note, I also wanted to announce our CEO, Dr. Anand Verghese, has given me this responsibility for announcing a small gesture from the management. This is mainly to support the aspiring entrepreneurs, fresh ones who wanted to get into entrepreneurship, and the recent alumni. If any of them need any support in terms of seed grant to take forward their business ideas, please do approach us. A total amount of rupees 10 lakhs have been approved for the same. Per proposal, that is in case you want to convert your idea into a prototype, we thought 1 lakh per proposal is what we have kept. But in addition to that, any sort of academic support or any assistance in terms of infrastructure, in addition to the seed grant you want, please do approach us either through Dr. Anita Manol or through Dr. Devasundari. And we're looking forward to being a part of your journey to success. Once again, congratulations, and may the Lord give each one of you hail, healthy, and a successful and prosperous life ahead. Thank you, and have a great year ahead.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think that will really be useful for the entrepreneurs or upcoming entrepreneurs, and that too, a college supporting entrepreneurs is definitely an initiative that everyone has to look at in the future. So we are really grateful for you. And from the entrepreneurs of KCG also, I would like to really thank you for this initiative. I'm pretty sure that there'll be so many of them among the recent passouts as well who would benefit out of this. And from the KCG Connect Alumni Committee, we'll also try to make sure that we reach out this information to as many as possible so that they could benefit out of this. So these were certain things that didn't exist when we were there. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be something new, and it's going to be a trend-setting opportunity for the alumni and the entrepreneurs as such who are passing out from colleges. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, please do pass on, Gauri, because even in case of any infrastructural requirements, also like they need to use our labs in addition to the finance and financial support, or any other services in terms of mentorship or connecting with this thing, please do ask them to get in touch with us. We want to take forward and bring back that innovation culture and entrepreneurship culture which once existed and has been always a trademark for KCG College. Right?
All right, ma'am. Right, sure, ma'am. We shall do that. So next, we would like to invite a few of our alumni to share a few memories with us. We have Sudhakar with us currently to share some memories of his at KCG. So Sudhakar, over to you.
Yes, Gauru bro. Thank you. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Myself Sudhakar, 2010 to 14 batch alumni from the Department of Aeronautical Engineering. Now I'm working for ISRO on R&D of rocket engines. I wanted to share one of my best memories in KCG with you all, which I would cherish for my lifetime. Actually, most of the people, rather than my name, they know me as Swamiji, as I always used to have a long hair and beard, and I never used to cut them. And I had the privilege of getting suspended from the college in my first year itself. That is when I was in my Science and Humanities department. I was suspended from the college. It was for a silly reason of wearing jeans and coming to college. The irony was, it was a non-working Saturday and I had to come to college for a retest. I was caught by PT sir, Mr. Muthu Selvam. My ID card was taken and I was suspended from the college for 3 days. I really got sad at that moment, and to overcome that frustration, myself and with my friends who also got suspended along with me, we went to Ampa Skywalk and we watched a movie and went home in the evening. When I went home and told my parents that I am suspended from the college, they asked me, "Nee enna sambhavam panna?" I told them, "Adu sambhavam illa, Saritram," and laughed. This is one of my best memories in KCG, and it's really a great pleasure for me on being honored with a Distinguished Alumni Award and Special Alumni Award.
So from there, Sudhakar, from being suspended in your first year, the memory you're sharing today, you have a Distinguished Alumni Award recipient. Right? Yeah.
Once what we were doesn't define our final destiny, right, man? So that's what.
No, every experience helps to mold the character.
Obviously, man. So it was for that silly reason, and it was non-working Saturday. I was suspended for coming to retest wearing jeans.
So next time, don't come for retests, okay? Make sure you clear your exams the very first time. No coming for retests.
Now I have been setting question papers for JPR Engineering College students, man, for rockets and missiles subject. Now no issue of retest.
Yeah. So congratulations again.
Thank you, ma'am. And I would like to take this wonderful opportunity to express my gratitude and to the management, KCG Connect Alumni Association, my Aeronautical Engineering Department and friends for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all and for honoring me with the awards. I hope the next alumni meet we have in our campus. I am looking forward to associate more with KCG in the future also. Nandri, Vanakkam, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sudhakar. So even when I was in college, there were certain things that I felt were not right to me, but only when I came out of college, I thought, so basically they had been trying to groom us for the future. So if I'm walking into a professional atmosphere, I'm actually expected to have a formal attire and an ID card and these things. So that is what they had been doing, spoon feeding us when we didn't know that this is going to definitely happen in the future. And at a stage when you're running a company, you will expect your employees also to be a little bit more formal. I wouldn't say it's like you have to be in a tie and suit, but then nowadays there are, some etiquettes. But only thanks to this virtual environment that we might not be following dress codes at the moment, but definitely all for the good, right? So we'll take it that way. And next I would like to invite Prem and Aishwarya. Both of them are from KCG, alumni from KCG, who are going to share their joint memory with us. Over to you, Prem and Aishwarya.
Hi guys, how are you?
Hi everybody, how are you?
Yeah, so we both. So I am a 2008 pass out, and
I'm a proud 2009 alumna of KCG College of Technology. So happy to be here with all of you and share our memories of college life.
Yeah, Prem, go on, I think.
great, fine. Hi guys, so I'm Prem. So 2008 pass out from CSA department, and this is my wife Aishwarya.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya, proud alumna of 2009 batch of KCG College of Technology. Like I was saying, it's so nice to reconnect with everyone and see everyone here. It's an amazing experience.
Great. So let me tell you about my experience. So the earlier experience, so the one thing which I could associate KCG with is freedom. To be honest, it was surprising to hear the previous story from regarding the jeans episode, because that is not what we would actually associate KCG with. So so my experience in KCG, the kind of freedom I was given, especially my department CSE rocks. So the kind of interaction we had with our faculty, the kind of freedom we were given by our faculty to interact, ask any sort of questions, it's helped me a lot in my entrepreneurial career as such. So I am the director of a company called Microman, and I have another digital marketing company as well. And that sort of freedom, the kind of interaction we had, helped us a lot. Other than that, our fond memories would be of the coffee shop. So we were one of the very few colleges who had a coffee day within our campus. So we had bragging rights with other engineering colleges, saying that we have a coffee shop, and we spent a lot of time in the coffee shop, in the campus store. And those are very fond memories we had. As I in an earlier interaction, I've told this, let me repeat again. So my college life was probably the best days of my life. The kind of interactions we had, the kind of especially my batch 2004 to 2008, it was an amazing batch. So we are still in touch, and some of them are even a part of this alumni meet as such. So the kind of relationships we developed personally as well as professionally, there's a lot of connections that's happening. So this would be my memory of KCG as such.
Yeah, so when I knew that I was going to talk today, I thought it's been 10 years since I've graduated. Will I even remember what happened during college life? And it's actually like I graduated yesterday. All the memories are still intact. So for me personally, college life was a time of incredible growth. So I am someone who's generally very reserved, quiet and shy, and KCG really helped me come out of my shell in terms of meeting people from all over the country, students from all walks of life, different cultures, and really, like I said, opening myself up to new experiences. It was so amazing to hear Joe, Jan, and Rajni sing, because I was very fortunate to be a part of the band. And it was like I'd gone back to our auditorium days where I used to just sit and fangirl over all of y'all singing. So it was a really, like Prem said, I think everyone would agree that college was probably the best. They were the 4 best years of my life. So, yeah.
Thank you, Prem and Aishwarya. Really, thank you for being here and sharing your memories with us.
Gauri, one second. Prem and
Yeah,
Aishwarya, we also need to tell you thank you very much for supporting us in terms of some beautiful creative work. And Prem, we've been working with you for a year, but Aishwarya, we've just been able. In fact, I was initially, when we started off, I was thinking, we've been communicating, but didn't get a chance to meet you. But beautiful creative work. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We're so happy to contribute in some small way to this event. So thank you so much.
I just want to say, Aishwarya, you and Prem were part of the first batch that I taught in KCG. I remember
Yes,
meeting
ma'am.
you so much, the Vyarati, all of them, I remember with great affection. all the students of your batch across departments. Yes, and as Bindu ma'am was saying, even then we were a small college.
I was about to
Right?
tell that. So I think you took that.
Just three batches, no, Bindu? There were just three batches, I remember. Though we had some 75 plus students in each classroom, there were only three batches at that time, and all of us faculty used to sit in one single, staff room. And we knew, as Bindu ma'am was saying, we knew every student on campus those days. Now it's so huge. So all of you who have not been to campus for a long time, when COVID is over, please do come back. Your, college has changed. So, and some of us old faculty are still there. Yeah, so it was nice to see both of you.
That is a place of happy memories for us.
Absolutely.
So we'd love to come back and reminisce.
Good to know. Good to know.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, Bindu ma'am. How are you?
Yeah,
I couldn't interact with you.
doing good, Prem and Aishwarya. Very happy to see both of you.
Hi, ma'am.
Same here,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I just wanted to tell you, I still remember when I did arithmetic methods with you, my friends from school who were in other colleges used to come and take my notes because they said nobody has such fantastic notes for this subject like you do. So all credit goes to you, ma'am. You not only taught me, but probably taught 30, 40 of my friends through my notes as well.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Very blessed to hear all these comments. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, guys. So next, let's move on to Nitish is here also to share a message with us. Nitish, over to you. We have like 2 minutes, Nitish.
Awesome. Hey, guys. Thank you so much, first of all, to everybody over here. So, and congrats to all the winners and to the people in the defense sector. Thank you so much for your service. I think we all owe you one. So, three quick things I think I'd like to share over here. One, how it all started, what the progress, and then why am I here in the meeting. So how it all started, I think I was the first batch of ESEL when the college had ESEL, initiated. So that was where my first startup happened. It was a blood bank database, and I mean, I still have the certificate today. So it was the first exposure for me towards VC. I remember a guest lecturer coming and talking to me. So I'm happy that that progressed, and then the way it, I think, progressed. I did my master's here in the US, and over here I had a startup as well where the college funded. So I think credit goes back to KCG, for letting us know that's possible. And over here, the start again, it was a biomedical startup. It didn't go really well. FDA regulations, approvals didn't happen. So, but then the third startup right now is what I think I've been recognized for, Illumini. And apart from I think the criteria is revenue and people strength and everything. What we and I think the team as a whole are happy about is what we're doing. We're trying to see how we can make human living more sustainable in all 5 aspects of food, shelter, clothing, and energy transport. So that's what I think gets my team going and me going, and I'm super happy to do that. The third thing as to why I'm here, everybody talks about what the alumni has been doing for the college, but I think it's both ways. So few months back, I reached out to Annie ma'am to give us so I'm an advisor in a couple of other startups, and I reached out to Annie ma'am out of nowhere on LinkedIn, asked her, ma'am, can you do a podcast for the startup? And she was more than happy to do that. So I think it's not just, like I said, alumni giving back. Even after we get out of college, everybody, is more than happy to give back to us as well. So I think I owe the honor to be here on the call. So thank you so much, everybody. And thank you, Asu sir, Bindu ma'am, and Anita ma'am, and Annie ma'am. So, yep.
All right, Nitish. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming and sharing your memories with us. Thank you.
More than happy to. Thank you, ma'am.
So for the other, so now we are moving on to, so we have a vote of thanks. And before that, I would like to inform all of you, all the attendees here, that we have individual meeting rooms arranged for.
Gauri, sorry to interrupt. Annie ma'am, other thing, one more thing, I think, as a way to give back, sorry to cut you off, Gauri, but as a way to give back, for what the college has done, I'm more than happy to help the alumni out by matching what you guys mentioned. I think you are more than happy to give the 10 lakhs for any fresh alumni coming or people a part of the college. Like I said, that was my first exposure to VC. So I'm more than happy to do that and match the grant that the college has done. So thank you so much.
Wonderful, wonderful, Nitish.
Thank you.
Amazing. That was an unlooked for amazing response.
Wonderful news.
Great.
Thanks, Nitish. We'll definitely make sure that we pass across this message to all our budding alumni, because there have been a few requests, especially because of this pandemic. So I will keep our office also informed. And yes, thank you very much for that gesture.
Wonderful. So now our alumni has 20 lakhs to draw on.
Yes.
Wonderful. Great. Great news. Thank you, Nitish.
Thank you.
Gauri, we are moving on to
I
our
guess,
vote
yeah.
times, right? Or your breakout.
Yeah,
rooms
let's move on.
instructions.
Yeah, I just lost power. Right. We can.
Sure.
Right. So we'll be sharing this breakout room links on the chat window. And all of you can access that via MS Teams. And I would like to invite Kishore now to deliver the vote of thanks. So Kishore has been involving in various social activities with the underprivileged and especially abled and old age as well. So we are delighted to have a Vice President of KSG Connect, Kishore, to please render the vote of thanks.
So before Kishore gives, I would also like to add one word of how Kishore has been supporting the college. And also I keep track of, all the wonderful things he's been doing, even for other alumni of his batchmates. I know all the efforts he has taken and reached out. And there were actually many other people nominating Kishore, but there were multiple nominations for him. So Kishore is a wonderful human being, and it's wonderful. It's an inspiration to all how he balances both his, work, family, his, to the alma mater, as well as to the community at large. Kishore, thank you for everything.
Yeah, thank you, Gauri, as well as Anita ma'am, for the kind words which you have been giving to me. On behalf of the KCG Connect Alumni Association, I'm obliged to extend a vote of thanks to all those who have contributed in one way or the other to make this event a success, and I consider it's a great privilege. First of all, I would like to thank the management, our special guest, and alumni performers of the day. Thank you, Bindu ma'am, for sharing your time with us in college and till now. Thanks to the management of KCG, Dr. Elizabeth Verghese ma'am, Dr. Annie Jacob ma'am, Dr. Anand Jacob Verghese sir, and Principal Dr. G. Prabhakaran for supporting the first virtual edition of KCG Connect Alumni Meet and for having support us in the past. Heartfelt thanks to the faculty in charge who had put in enormous work to make this event happen. Thank you, Anita ma'am, Devasundari ma'am, for your infinite support. Here are the names of the staffs who have been backbone to this event. Dr. Kavita Balamurugan, HOD, ECE. Dr. Esu, Associate Professor, Mechanical. Mrs. Femina, Assistant Professor, EEE. Dr. Balaji, Assistant Professor, CSE. Mr. Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, IT. Ms. Neetu, Assistant Professor, ECE. Mr. Venkatraman, Assistant Professor, Aeronautical. Mr. Natesan, Assistant Professor, E&I. Ms. Rekha, Assistant Professor, Civil. Mr. Pavan, Placement Officer, and Mr. Nibin, System Manager. They say if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Thanks to all the committee members of supporting the event, and a special mention to these alumni members without whom the event wouldn't have been possible. Prem Kumar, Aishwarya Prem, and the creative team, Sopa Soundararajan, Sudhagar Shanmugam, Pragadish Nandakumar, Arun and Arvind, Joshna, Rajni, and Janani, Ramkumar, and Nalin, and also Beryl Natasha. Thanks to our MC for the day, Ms. Aishwarya couldn't be for being the voice of the KCG Connect 2021, but since she has missed out in the connection, Gauri has been taken forward from there. Last but not the least, heartfelt thanks to all the alumni members and their families for having made this event a grand success, and congratulations to all the alumni excellence nominees and the awardees, and best wishes from the entire KCG family for you to prosper and excel ahead. Also a kind reminder to all alumni to support current KCG students with mentorship, internship, placement, and etc. Thank you all.
Thank you, Kishore. Thank you so much. So the breakout room links have been shared on the chat box, will be shortly shared on the screen as well. So people who are interested in joining the batch-wise rooms, you can actually go for the batch-wise rooms. We also have an entrepreneurs room where those who wish to network and share your contacts, you can join that particular room. We will have participants joining the individual rooms shortly. Please stay on the link. So once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the MS Teams platform. And through that, you will be able to engage with the batchmates and the fellow alumni. Right? Thank you, guys. Thank you all for joining. And thanks to the entire team who had worked on this event.
So we are going to have the national anthem. Please rise.